I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're again joined by Moo Moo. She's trying to hide from the camera because she's a little kitty. But I thought I'd bring her back in because the other day I did a review on a collaboration between Disney and Kate Spade. I did this card holder, and if you want to check out that full review, you can click it here. But this felt a little lonely, so I went to Kate Spade today and got it a friend, a much bigger friend. Ta-da! All right, they went into the back and got me a wrap one, so it shouldn't have any mars or scars. And we're just going to tear right open into this bad boy. Oh, now you're interested, huh? Oh, so much to unwrap. But we're starting to see what it is. Get all that out, all that out. Round the bunny ears, or mouse ears, I should say. Get that out. Go get it, Moo. Go get it. Yeah, go get it, honey. You like playing with the plastic? Here you go. It's a snake. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. All right. We almost have it completely ready to be viewed. I would have pre-opened it if I knew that it was this extensive. But heck, this is half the fun. And I think about does it, except for this tag. And it just says Disney, Minnie Mouse, Kate Spade. So we'll take that off and set it off to the side. And let me scooch in so I can show you. This is the Minnie Mouse in black, and its full name is Kate Spade New York X. Again, if you saw my other review, they put an X. I don't know why. Minnie Mouse Minnie Maise. So there you go. This is a beautiful, beautiful bag. It's got a nice leather strap, which seems to be twisted in one way or another. There we go. A nice leather strap. It's got this chain finishing off the strap going down. It's not removable, so that's actually a little bit of a disappointment if you just want to carry it like a little bag. I did not notice that in the store when I was purchasing it. But we've got the big mini bow. Above that it says Kate Spade New York. And then you've got Minnie Mouse's ears coming out. The nice handles, which I just mentioned, that I wish you could make this just a little handbag. The strap carries on. You know what? This is the same type of leather that this was made out of. And I've really got to rack my memory. I think it's called saffiano. And it's got a weird texture to it. And that weird texture is part of the way they process the leather. They stamp it, and the pattern is what's called saffiano. And what it does is it adds a wax coating. It embeds it into the leather. And that makes it really easy to clean, to get off some slight grime and grum. Stains and whatnot you might have a little bit of trouble with, but it's just nice that it has that wax coating, and it doesn't feel waxy. I mean, it doesn't feel like genuine soft leather, but this is a full leather upper body. And then we'll see how difficult it is to open. Not that difficult at all. And let's get into the bag itself. Always with the fluff and choking hazard stuff. Aww, they made it polka dotted on the inside. And you can see there the tag. It reads, what does it read? It reads Disney Minnie Mouse, Kate Spade New York. And it's got a little, my fingers are covering it, a little, here, let me try to fold this down. A little Kate Spade, and then the tag. Right behind that is a pocket with probably a care guide, if I know these by heart now. Yep. And that pocket doesn't button or anything, but it's got a nice width to it. It's 4.5 fingers wide, but it's not very deep. I'd only say it's about 3 inches deep. And as far as the interior, that's all it has. But it does, I kind of like it when they don't clutter up the interior of a bag like this. This allows, oh, there's still more trash. This allows you to get in what you want to put in and not have 16 compartments where you're like, okay, well, my lipstick doesn't fit in this department, so, or my phone doesn't fit in this compartment. So this kind of just gives you the ability to put in what you want in. And as you can see, it's got a wide mouth with the zipper going down around the edge here and not stopping up further, allowing you to really get into it and see what you're doing. As I said, the zipper does glide rather well, what you'd come to expect from anything from Kate Spade. Nothing about this says crossbody, and I don't think this is long enough to be a crossbody. Nope, it's not. I'll kind of squat. And it is just a good side bag. You can throw it around the back if you want, or have it on the front. It is absolutely gorgeous with this oversized bow. And it goes really, really well with the card case. So if you're looking to get the whole collection, then check the links in the description below. And I'll have links for this and for the card case. But being able to pull this out. Oh, and does this fit in the pocket? Is that what the pocket's for? Let's see. If I could only open it up. Yep. Fits just perfect in the pocket. So I have pretty much the whole collection now. And I'm really excited about this product. I was bad. And I didn't do pre-research to figure out its dimensions. But that can easily be looked up on their website if you go to the links in the description below. Other than that, I'm just really excited to add more Disney collabs to my collection. These are always just a thrill for me. I love everything Disney. And call outs to older Disney franchises like Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse is just really a thrill for me. So with that being said, if Moo Moo will listen, she would like to say goodbye. Moo Moo, up, up. Up, up. You can do it. Oh, almost. Oh, get your booty up here. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, you just want kisses? Okay, I give you kisses. Now say bye-bye. Alright, guys. I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet. Bye.